Hey guys, what's going on? Frank Rich here from Rebuilt Recovery, and in today's video, I want to extend to you a special invitation to join our brand new Facebook community brought to you by Rebuild Your Life and Rebuilt Recovery, designed to help men break free from porn addiction through the power of faith and fitness. Now, before I kind of get into why you need to have a community like this, let me remind you who we are and what we do here for those of you guys that are new to the channel. Welcome to Rebuild Your Life YouTube channel. My name is Frank Rich, CEO, founder, and head coach at Rebuilt Recovery, and it is our mission to help men break free from the shackles of porn addiction through the power of faith and fitness. Now, we do that in a handful of different ways here. First of all, right here on this YouTube channel, we are releasing new videos every single day, Monday through Friday at this point. So if you're new to the channel and haven't done so yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also turn those post notifications on so you are notified every single time a new video is released. And secondly, for you guys that are out there that are in the early stages of identifying some of the problems with your porn habit and are ready to live a life 100% porn free, make sure to pick up our free ebook. It's a 7-step guide to living life without porn, where we walk you through how to build a vision for your life without porn, how to take that vision and put it into an actionable plan that you can execute upon daily, and then how to find the discipline, willpower, and accountability to hold yourself through this process, because removing porn from your life will be one of the greatest things that you can do if you do decide to step into the life that you were created to live. But let's get back to the community, guys, because I'm going to keep this video very short, and I want to direct you to hit that first link down there in that first pinned comment so you can get involved in this brand new free community. But why is the community so important in your walk to remove porn from your life? Well, you know, I think one of the biggest problems with a porn addiction or even a porn habit is that it lives and it breeds itself in isolation. You know, a lot of times we've talked about this on the podcast and here on some other videos about the 3 A's of porn addiction, what makes it so difficult to break free. You have accessibility. You know, these days in the world that we live in, we literally have our cell phones with us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So we have access to porn basically on demand, so it's accessible. Secondly, it's affordable. You know, breaking down the 3 A's here. 98% of pornography these days is absolutely free. So we have the accessibility, we have the fact that it's affordable, but the third problem, and this is really the one that we're addressing through the community, is the anonymity. The fact that your porn habit, your porn problem, your porn addiction lives and breathes itself in isolation. Think about it. You know, when you're consuming pornography, you're doing it when you're by yourself, when you're alone, late night, supposed to be at work, supposed to be focusing on other things. So you're doing it in isolation. And then when you're done and you've completed, you know, this and now you're living and you're built up in this guilt and shame and social anxiety, you don't even want to go talk about it. So community is so important because we need to be around a circle of brothers. We need to be around a network of other men that are walking the same fight, that are going down the same path, that are aiming to make themselves better in life, that are aiming to step into the life that they were created to live. So this is what this environment and this is what this community is designed to do. It's designed to bring a group of men together, to support each other, to lift each other up, to hold each other accountable. Now, in terms of rules and policies, I mean, there's a handful of rules that I want all of us to stick to. First and foremost is be engaged in the group. You know, when you have something to say, when you have something to share, when a post really resonates with you, like it, comment to support your other brothers. Secondly is being encouraging, being supportive. We're not here to knock people down. We're not here to take people out of their path. We're not here to hold them back from their process. It's going to be an environment of extreme honesty, of extreme vulnerability, and guys stepping out of their fear. So in order for this to succeed, in order for this to work, we have to be there together to support each other in this fight, in this walk, through engagement, through conversation. And thirdly, guys, just avoid negativity, avoid negative posts, avoid political posts, avoid opinions, avoid reactions, responses. We want to make this a supportive group, a supportive community, one that brings us all together as we continue to walk in this journey and in this fight. Now, in terms of what I'll be doing inside of the group, obviously, you know, one of our major channels right now is on this YouTube and the daily videos. So like I said, if you haven't done so yet, subscribe and turn those notifications on. But inside the channel, I'll be checking in regularly. We'll be doing weekly Q&As and weekly live streams and live videos, answering your questions, providing tools, tips, strategies. I'm going to be providing a lot of content that isn't shared anywhere else. This will grow into basically a one-stop shop for every guy that's looking to break free from porn and find accountability and support. So like I said, hit that first link in the description or down there in that first pinned comment. Join the group, get plugged in, introduce yourself, support the other men, and let's make the end of 2020 and all of 2021 the greatest year ever for helping men break free from porn. Frank Rich from Rebuilt Recovery. I'll see you inside the group.